Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma akhrijna min dhulumatil wahmi wa akrimna binuril fahmi. بالحي والسيل لنا أبا فضلك وانصر علينا من خزائن رحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نويت التعلم والتعليم والنفع والانتفاع والتذكر والتذكير والإفادة والاستفادة والدعاء إلى الهدى والدلالة على الخير ابتغاء مرضات الله وقربه وثوابه سبحانه وتعالى. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. أما بعد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال المصنف رحمه الله تعالى wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi wa amadana bi asrarihi fid dharaini amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now in here I want to read a book or kitab Matan Takrib with makna Injilisia. Okay? From here we study about kitab Takrib. But next time I will give you the meaning or makna with translate in English, okay? Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So that's why you must listen carefully what I have said to you all. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kitabut Taharati utawi a book about wash up or purification, like that. If you want to know what the meaning at-tahara is, wash up or purification, sesuci. Why I use a book, I don't say a chapter or another, because of Alkitab lebih mencakup, like that. I have said like that because kitabut tahara I don't use faslut tahara but kitabut tahara utawi a book about wash up or purification. Finish. Almiyahu utawi there are many water. Allati that yajuzu can be used biha kelawan almiyah opo at-tadhiru. In here I give translate wash up. Opo at-tadhiru wash up iku sab'u miyahin. Lafdu sab'u miyahin khobarun min almiyah. Iku sab'u miyahin is 7 water. There are 7 waters that can be used for purification. Okay. Ma'us samai rupane rainwater, namely rainwater. Wa ma'ul bahri and sea water. Wa ma'un nahri and river water. Wa ma'ul bi'ri and well water. Wa ma'ul aini and source water. Wa ma'ul thalji and snow water. Do you ever is that hear about snowman? What is that? A song, lagu snowman. The meaning is salju, okay? And wama usalji and snow water. Wama ul barti or wama ul baruti and cold water. There are 7 water that can be used for purification. Ma'us sama'i, rainwater, and sea water, and river water, and well water, and source water, and snow water, and cold water. And then thummal miyahu utawi, then the waters iku ala arba'ati aqsamin, are divided into 4 parts. Iku ala arba'ati aqsamin, are divided into 4 parts. Tahirin, mutahhirin, ghairi makruhin. Tahirin rupane, or you can give namely, that is water, that is pure water. Mutahhirin, ghairi makruhin, is not makruh. Wahua utawi, that's name, I mean tahirin, mutahhirin, ghairi makruhin, al-ma'u al-mutlaku, iku, you can say mutlak water or absolute water. Iku al-ma'u al-mutlaku, mutlak water or absolute water. And then the second, wa tahirin mutahhirin makruhin, and that is pure water. Mutahhirin, purifying water. Makruhin, that's name makruh. Makruhin, makruh like that, only makruh like that. Wahua utawi, that's name, I mean tahirin mutahhirin makruh, it's the second. Iku al-ma'u al-musammasu, iku al-ma'u water al-musammasu, be heated, yang dipanaskan, in English is be heated. Okay. And then the second, the third, wa tahirin ghairi mutahhirin, that is pure water. Ghairi mutahhirin is not purifying water. Wahua utawi, that's name, I mean tahirin ghairi mutahhirin, iku al-ma'u water, al-musta'malu, mustakmal water, or you can say used water. Iku al-ma'u water, al-mustakmalu, mustakmal water. It's the number 1, and then number 2, and then number 3. I will give you explanation about this one. Thummal miyahu ala arba'ati aqsamin, then the waters are divided into 4 parts. And then number 1, tahirin mutahhirin ghairu makruhin, and then give name al-ma'u al-mutlak. And then the second, wa tahirin mutahhirin makruh, and then give name al-ma'u al-musammas. And then the third, number 3, is that wa tahirin ghairi mutahhirin wa huwa al-ma'u al-mustakmal. It is this number 3. Okay. Last time I have said to you that water are divided into 4 parts. And then number 3, tahirin ghair mutahhirin wa huwa al-ma'ul mustamal. And then continue, wal mutaghayyiru utawi, and the water has changed. Use verb 3, change. Wal mutaghayyiru utawi, and the water has changed. Bima, with something. Khalato, interfere. How to spell interfere? I-N-T-E-R-F-E-R-E. Khalato, interfere. Or you can give mix like that, mencampur. Hu ing al mutaghayyir minat tahirati, from clean things, because at tahirat it is jamak, so you can give s. From clean things. Minat tahirati, from clean things. Finish. Continue number 4. Last time I have said then the water are divided into 4 parts. Number 4 is wama in najisin wa huwa alladhi halat fihi najasatun ila akhirih. The meaning wama in and water, najisin najis, or you can translate has unclean. Najisin kang najis or has unclean. If you want to give the meaning in English, has unclean, the meaning is unclean is tidak bersih, berarti najis atau kotor. Wa huwa utawi ma'in najisin iku alladzi that halat ya, halat alladzi that halat has make or interfere fihi in this water apa najasatun dirty things, apa najasatun dirty things. Wa huwa utawi ma'un najis, ma'in najisin iku dunal kullataini, less than 2 kullah, less than 2 kullah, au kana or has been kullataini 2 kullah, fataghayyara so become change, fataghayyara so become change. Okay, number 4, from the water are divided into 4 parts. Number 4 is wa ma'in najisin wa huwa alladhi halat fihi najasatun wa huwa dunal kullataini. The water is unclean, and then that water has mixed or interfered with dirty things. Then that water less than 2 kullah or has been 2 kullah but become change, maka menjadi berubah atau berada 2 kullah yang menjadi berubah. Okay, that's number 4. Wal kullatani. Okay. Wal kullatani utawi 2 kullah iku khamsu mi'ati ritlin, 500 ritel, like that. Baghdadiyin by country of Baghdad. Takriban I give takriban, it's maf'ul mutlak. Takriban kelawan roughly, fil asahi dikira-kirakan itu in English, how to say in English is roughly, fil asahi in true words, fil asahi in true words, fil asahi in true words, menurut pendapat yang lebih benar. True, how to spell true? T-R-U-E. Okay, like that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun wa juludul maitati tadhuru bid-dibahi illa jildal kalbi wal khinziri wa ma tawallada minhuma aw min ahadihima wa admul maitati wa sya'ruha najisun illal adamiyah. Faslun utawi a chapter. I don't use ya dikira mengira-ngirakan hada. Faslun utawi a chapter. Wajuludul maitati. Wajuludul maitati utawi as for the skin of the carcass. Kulit-kulitnya bangkai, utawi as for the skin of the carcass adzabiha, yakni al maksud al maitah. Tadhuru iku it can be cleaned. Tadhuru iku it can be cleaned. Bitibahi with tanning. Menyamak, how to say in English is tanning. I have been look for last time. Tibah, the how to say in English is tanning. Illa jildal kalbi, except for the dog skin. Illa jildal kalbi, except for the dog skin. Wal khinziri, and the pig skin. If you want to know how to say in English, al khinzir is pig, and then al kalbi, how to say in English is dog. Like that. And the pig skin, wama, and animals tawallada, has born. Because tawallada it's fi'il madi, I use has born. Tawallada, has born. Minhuma, from al kalbi wal khinziri. Au min ahadihima, or from one of them. Okay, I give like that, yeah, more simple. Au min ahadihima, or from one of them. Au min ahadihima, or from one of them. Wa admul maitati, the bones of the carcass. Wa admul maitati, utawi the bone of the carcass. How to say tulang in English? Bones. Utawi the bones of the carcass, wa sya'ruha, and a hair, or and what, how to say in English? Wa sya'ruha, and the hair of the carcass, like that, yeah. Wa sya'ruha, and a hair of the carcass. Najisun iku najis. At-tarkib fi najisun huwa khobarun. Najisun iku najis or unclean, illal adamiyya, except the son of Prophet Adam sallallahu alaihi salam. Illal adamiyya, except the son of Prophet Adam alaihi salam. Okay, fasl number 1, chapter number 1 has explained about the skin of the carcass. It can be cleaned with tanning, except for the dog skin and the pig skin, or all of animal has born from that pig or dog, or from one of them. Wa admul maitati wa sya'ruha najisun illal adamiyah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun, wala yajuzu isti'malu awanid dhahabi wal fiddati, wala yajuzu isti'malu ghairihima minal awani. Faslun, utawi a chapter. Wala yajuzu, wala yajuzu, sold not, apa isti'malu awanid dhahabi, or you can use cannot be, or sold not, tidak bisa. Solden or could or can, because cannot, if you disambungkan itu membacanya how to what is the conversation, cannot disambungkan menjadi can, and then solden not, so you can say solden. Wala yajuzu, sold not or solden, cannot be or can be. Apa isti'malu awanid dhahabi, use gold containers, like that. Wait a minute. Don't say container. What's that? Bejana. How to say in English bejana is vessel. Ya. Bejana itu sebuah tempat atau sebuah wadah. How to say in English is vessel. Do you know how to spell it? Vessel. V-E-S-S-E-L double S. Vessel. Apa isti'malu awanid dhahabi use gold vessels. Wal fiddati and silver vessels. Wala yajuzu and sold not or cannot be. Apa isti'malu ghairihima use another awanid dhahabi wal fiddah minal awani bayane from that vessels like that. May not use another may not use a vessel gold or silver gold and then use another that vessel from gold or silver. Faslun wasiwaku mustahabun fi kulli halin illa ba'da zawali shaim. Faslun utawi acadan wasiwaku utawi siwak like that. Yakni al maksud fi asiwak or bersiwak. Bukan kayunya bukan, tapi orang yang bersiwak iku mustahabun is recommended fi kulli halin. Mustahabun iku is recommended fi kulli halin in every situation. Ya, asiwak mustahabun is recommended in every situation illa ba'da zawali except after the sun sleeps like that. Lisaimi for those who are fasting. Lisaimi for those who are fasting. Wa huwa utawi asiwak iku fi thalathati mawadi'ah. Be in three place. Iku fi thalathati mawadi'ah, be in three place. Or don't say place but places. Iku fi salasati mawadi'ah, be in three places. Jamak. Asyaddu which is more. Heavier. Asyaddu which is more heavier. Istihbaban apane sunnah. Istihbaban apane sunnah. Inda taghayyuril fami, that is when the mood changes. Inda taghayyuril fami, that is when the mood changes. Min azmin from silent. I give translate azmin is silent. Min azmin from silent wa ghairihi and another silent. Wa ghairihi and another silent. Wa indal qiyami and when you wake up, okay? Do you know the meaning wake up? Bangunlah. Indal qiyam and when you waking up minan naumi from sleep. Wa indal qiyami and when you went to do ila sholati to pray, to do praying. As-siwak mustahabun fi kulli halin illa ba'da zawal lis-shaim. So like me and you all, after the sun sleep, from me or from us may not is that siwakan when we are fasting. Why like that? Because bisa membatalkan puasanya. And then when will you sangat disunahkan untuk bersiwak, to do siwak inda taghayyuril fami, that is when the mood change from silent, or another wa indal qiyami minan naum, after sleeping, or when you are waking up from sleep, wa indal qiyami ila salat, and when you want to do pray, to pray. Faslun wa furudul wudu'i sittatu asya'a, utawi wa furudul wudu'i, utawi the obligation of ablution. So if you want to know how to say in English wudu, take ritual ablution. And then this chapter explain about furudul wudu, the obligation of ablution. Furudul wudu'i, utawi the obligation of ablution. Iku sittatu asya'a. Iku sittatu asya'a, there are 6 things like that. Iku sittatu asya'a, there are 6 things. An-niyatu, that is intention. Apa? Kerenteke ati, yakni an-niyat. Inda ghuslil wajhi, when washing the face. Inda ghuslil wajhi, when washing the face. Wa ghuslil wajhi, and then number 2, wa ghuslul wajhi, and wash the face. Wa ghuslul wajhi, and wash the face. Wa ghuslul yadaini, and wash both hands. Ilal mirfaqaini, up to the elbow. If you want to know how to say in English al mirfaq or siku, that's elbow. Up to the elbows. Ilal mirfaqaini, up to the elbow. How to spell elbows? E-L-B-O-W-S. That's how to say in English al-mirfaq. Wa mashu ba'dir ra'si, and wipe part of the head. Wa mashu ba'dir ra'si, and wipe part of the head. Wa ghuslur rijlaini, and wash the feet. And wash both of the feet, like that. Ilal ka'baini, up to the ankles. Ilal ka'baini, up to the ankles. Wa tartibu, and tertib in English is berurutan. I have write sequence. What is this? Because it's difficult for me. Tartib, how to say in English? Tartib, berurutan. Last time I have been look for sequentially. I don't know what is that. For the meaning of tartibu, tartib, like that ya. Alama, to the something. Dhakarna has mentioned by us. Dhakarna has mentioned by us. Has mentioned by us. Who ing that something. Who ing that something. Wa sunanuhu, utawi and the sunnah of ablution. Iku asyaratu asya'a, there are 10. Atasmiyatu, rupane, that is reading basmalah. Wa ghuslul kafaini, and washing the palms. And washing the 2 palms, telapak tangan. Qabla idkhalihima, before putting them, al-ina'a, to the vessel, like that. How to say in English bejana? Vessel. Wal madmadatu, and gurgle. If you want to know berkumur, how to say in English? Gurgle. Wal istinsyaku, and suck water into the nose. Wa mashu jami'ir ra'si, and wipe all of the head. And wipe all of the head. Wa mashul udhunaini, and wipe 2 ears. Zahirihima, that is outside. Wa batinihima, and inside. Bima'in, jadidin with new water. Bima'in jadidin with new water. Because if you do something, I mean wash your ear from outside here or inside, itu termasuk daripada kesunah-sunahan wudu. But you use water, what you use in your water for do it. Wa tahlilul lihyati and rubbing the beard. Al-kathati, okay, or al-kithati, hastik yang lebat. Wa tahlilu asabi'il yadaini and rubbing the fingers of both hands. Wa tahlilu, nyela-nyelani, atau how to say in English, rubbing. Wa tahlilu asabi'il yadaini and rubbing the finger of both hands. Wa rijlaini and the finger of both legs. Wa taqdimul yumna and prioritize the right member alal yusra then the left member. Wa taqdimul yumna and prioritize the right member alal yusra then the left member. Wa taharatu and wash up salatan kelawan 3 times, salatan kelawan 3 times. Wal muwalatu and directly, like that. Wal muwalatu and directly. I think enough from here. And then what is that? I want to read about what is that? Al-i'rab. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kitabut Taharati. Kitabut Taharati. Here I don't use what is that? Al-muqaddimah in al-i'rab because I think saya cukupkan hanya ingin I want to i'rabiin daripada bab-bab yang sudah disebutkan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kitabut Taharati. Yasihhu qira'atuhu birraf'i. Ai kitabut taharati yuqra'u birraf'i. I review again. Yasihhu qira'atuhu birraf'i. Au ghairihi. So you can say kitabut taharati, kitabat taharati, kitabit taharati. Li'anna fihi ay fi lafzi kitabit taharati. Li'anna fihi la yazalu minal mumkini ayyakuna tarkibuhu maf'ulun bihi. Actually I want to use, what is that? Blackboard or whiteboard. Au hay li'anna I review again. Yasihhu qira'atuhu birraf'i au ghairihi li'anna fihi la yazalu minal mumkini ayyakuna tarkibuhu maf'ulun bihi. Pada lafadz kitabut taharat itu boleh dibaca rafa atau boleh dibaca selain rafa. Karena li'anna fihi la yazalu minal mumkini ayyakuna tarkibuhu maf'ulun bihi. Karena dari lafadz tersebut itu masih berkemungkinan tarkibnya juga bisa menjadi maf'ul bih au ghairuhu utawa au ghairuhu atau selain maf'ul bih. Wa fir raf'i dan ketika dibaca rafa kitabut taharati wa fir raf'i wujuhun. Wa fir raf'i wujuhun. Wa fir raf'i wujuhun. Al awwalu kaunuhu khabarun. Al awwalu kaunuhu khabarun li mubtada'in mahdhufin. Al awwalu kaunuhu khabarun li mubtada'in mahdhufin. Yang pertama yaitu menjadi khobar yang mubtadanya dibuang. Takdiruhu hadza kitabut thaharati. Takdiruhu hadza kitabut thaharati. Atsani kaunuhu mubtadaan. Kaunuhu mubtadaan wal khabaru mahdhufun. Yang kedua bisa mungkin menjadi mubtada yang khobarnya wal khobaru mahdhufun, yang dan khobarnya dibuang. Takdiruhu kitabut thaharati hadza mahalluhu. Takdiruhu kitabut thaharati hadza mahalluhu. Ats-tsalitsu war-rabi'u. Ats-tsalitsu war-rabi'u kaunuhu fa'ilan. Jadi tadi asani kaunuhu mubtadaan ya, kaunuhu mubtadaan. Ats-tsalitsu war-rabi'u kaunuhu fa'ilan. Wa na'iba fa'ilin. Wa na'iba fa'ilin. Wa yuqaddaru fi'luhu. Wa yuqaddaru fi'luhu sabata au dzukira. Kitabut thaharati. Dan yang keempat, kira-kira yang keempat itu menjadi fa'il dan naibul fa'il. Kalau ditakdirkan menjadi fa'il berarti fi'ilnya yaitu berupa sabata kitabut thaharati. Dan ketika dijadikan naibul fa'il maka mengira-ngirakan lafaz dzukira kitabut thaharati. Kitabu mudhafun. Kitabu mudhafun. I'rabuhu kama dzukira. I'rabuhu kama dzukira. At-thaharati mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. At-thaharati mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-miyahu allati yajuzu at-tadhiru biha sab'u miyahin. Al-miyahu. Al-miyahu mubtada'un marfu'un bil ibtida'i. Al-miyahu mubtada'un marfu'un bil ibtida'i wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dhammatu adh-dhahiratu. Wa alamatu raf'i ad-dhammatu adh-dhahiratu wa huwa jam'u ma'in. Wa huwa jam'u ma'in ismul jinsi. Ismul jinsi al-ifradi. Al-ifradi min anwa'il ma'i. Min anwa'il ma'i. Laisa bidzatil ma'i. Laisa bidzatil ma'i. Allati ismun. Allati ismu mausulin. Allati ismu mausulin silatuhu jumlatun. Silatuhu jumlatun ba'dahu. Allati ismu mausulin silatuhu jumlatun ba'dahu. Yajuzu fi'lun mudhari'un. Yajuzu fi'lun mudhari'un marfu'un litajarrudihi anin nasibi wal jazimi. Yajuzu fi'lun mudhari'un marfu'un litajarrudihi anin nasibi wal jazimi. Al-miyahu mubtada'un marfu'un bil ibtida'i wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dhammatu adh-dhahiratu wa huwa jam'u ma'in ismul jinsi al-ifradi min anwa'il ma'i laisa bidzatil ma'i. Finish? Finish or not yet? Allati ismu mausulin. Can I continue? allati ismu mausulin silatuhu jumlatun ba'dahu ya juzu fi'lun mudhari'un marfu'un litajarrudihi anin nasibi wal jazimi biha jarun wasmu dhamirin muannasi biha jarun wasmu dhamirin al muannasi fi mahalli jarrin faidatu harfil jarri lil isti'anati lil isti'anah at-tadhiru fa'ilun marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dhammatu ad-dhahiratu at-tadhiru fa'ilun marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dhammatu ad-dhahiratu. Finish or not yet? At-tadhiru fa'ilun marfu'un, fa'il yang dibaca rafa, wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dhammatu adh-dhahiratu li'annahu min ismil mufradi wat tadhiru ala wazni taf'ilun min tahhara yutahhiru tadhiran wat tadhiru ala wazni taf'ilun min tahhara yutahhiru tadhiran. Sab'u khabarun marfu'un mudhafun mudhafun miyahun sab'u miyahin mudhafun ilaihi majrurun ma'us sama'i wallahu alam bissawab. I think enough from this from my explanation. If you have found any mistake from me, I apologize to you all. If you want, I hope from you must study hard. I think please after you have read about this kitab, you can remember, you can read again after. If you don't study again, I hope you will forget. If you want to study, I think you will remember what have you done about this kitab, like that. Saya berharap ketika kamu diulang-ulang, ketika kamu mau belajar, insya Allah tidak akan lupa. Tapi ketika kamu sudah selesai belajar sendiri ataupun belajar dengan temannya, tidak mau diulang-ulang kembali, pasti itu akan lupa. Jadi ilmu itu bisa menjiwai kepada diri kita itu ketika kita mau mengulang-ulang seperti itu. I think enough from me. Wal afu minkum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.